Hello to mortals, monsters. I hope you're doing fantastic. My name is Miss Diamond and this is Monster Mark, where together we'll be creating your very own super spooky creature this Halloween. You can choose what your monster will look like, but careful, we don't want to scare everyone in the house away. Or do we? There are a bunch of different ways you can create your monster using some things that you may have right at home. But first, I want to introduce you to my very own special monster friend, Jax, who will be helping you with tips and tricks along the way. Say hi! Now let's get into some monster making.
First things first, let's make sure you have all of your materials. For this activity, you will need any kind of plain paper, a drawing instrument like a pencil or pen, and your Monster Mark folder with all of your monster parts inside, which you can find in the description below or the link provided. Or you can use your imagination and come up with your own parts. Some optional things you may need if you have them are a printer, scissors, glue, tape, markers, crayons, or colored pencils if you want to cut and paste your monster together. If you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can draw your monster with your pencil. Pause here while you get all of your supplies together. To get started, look in your Monster Mark folder and examine all of the different body types. Which ones do you think you can draw? Pause here and draw out your monster body. Next, give your monster some legs and some arms. I printed my parts from the Monster Mark folder, but you can draw yours out if you don't have a printer. Try to draw these or come up with your own. Pause here if you need to and make those monster limbs. Our monster wouldn't be complete without a scary face. Give your monster some eyes and a mouth now. Can you draw these or make your own? Pause here and take a minute to make your monster's face. Now you can add some Halloween extras if you want to get creative. Check out extras in your Monster Mark folder for some Halloween art. And here's my monster. You can give it a name or put your own name on it so that you know it's yours. How'd you do?
Thank you for making your monster with me and with Jax. I hope you had as much fun as I did making monster art. If you'd like to share your work, follow the link provided to upload a picture of your super scary monster and we'll share it with other monster makers. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the Monster Make series and to have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye!